prizes tonight. As mentioned by Bian, ladies and gentlemen, the ladies had their pre-judging competition where the ladies had a one-on-one interview with our selection panel right here. You know what? They had the most perfect spot in this venue, but they will have a difficult task tonight. Actually, kanina pang tanghali, medyo masakit na yung ulo nila. But here now is our best in interview. And she is bituin ng Grand Taytay Eagles Club. Habang po nawalan tayo ng power kanina, alam niyo si Mayor nandun din sa backstage. Kasama niya yung nagkakabit ng mga staff natin na nagkakabit ng kuryente. Kulang na lang kunin niya po yung plies. Next up is